Yes, so my name is Simon Cox. I'm based in Norwich, in Norfolk. My time with AIMS, I started in 2005, aged 52, and I retired recently in 2022, aged, well, I'll be 69 this June. Okay, what I've enjoyed the most is working for myself. My accountancy career followed the usual pattern. I qualified in practice and then moving into industry. Although I got to being a financial director, therefore at board level, I always had a boss. Corporate life can be very stressful, and after a takeover and reconstruction, I was made redundant. This gave me the opportunity to rethink my next career move. I decided that working for myself would be less stressful than working for someone else, and that has turned out to be true. I have enjoyed being in control of my own destiny, as they say, work-wise. I think I would be retired by now. I made a lifestyle choice when joining AIMS, aged 52. I did not want to employ staff. I focused on the smaller businesses as clients that were not too technically challenging. This meant that my financial earnings were less than my corporate earnings and benefits, but both my sons were financially independent, so I could afford it. But it did mean that I worked until I was 69 years old, which is no bad thing when you think now that those little grey cells need nourishing. The technical and marketing support with AIMS is very good. Although AIMS has its own compliance requirements, you can largely do what you want in terms of the size of practice and your choice of clients. Other franchises, for example, tax assessed in this area, require the cost of a high street presence. AIMS does not. Okay, I think technical competence is a given by clients. So you need to obtain their trust with good social skills and a positive and optimistic personality. Always return, you'll edit that out, always return phone calls and emails the same day if you can, or the next day. I often had clients tell me that their previous accountant was very difficult to get hold of. Also, be proactive and chase up clients who have not made contact with you for a while. Another point is be proactive in giving tax saving advice. Most of the clients I had experience with were only really interested in making sure they paid the minimum amount of tax. That's legal amount of tax, but still the minimum. And of course, the tax code now is so complicated that they rely on their accountant to give them some tax saving advice. My background in industry, running businesses, also helped me give advice to clients on building up their businesses. For instance, calculating selling prices and marketing their services to get more clients. Review your marketplace. Who are your target clients? How many are there? How many accountancy firms already exist? Is there space for you? And then once you've established there is space for you, market yourself extensively. So that's networking, cold calling to get started. Then once you have your clients, do a brilliant job. Most of my clients came to me from recommendations. Remember that you can give better value than the high street accountants, which is your main competition, because of their high overheads.